Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. Today video will be about this cheap retro look radio with many functions. I'm gonna review it now. First to say that I bought this from a local flea market, new for around $25, and I bought it because it have many functions. The first thing is the retro look, okay? It have a radio. Okay, that is working. The second thing is on the top, and you can see it have a solar panels, and this solar panel have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 cells giving 6 volts. Okay, here we have two DC jacks. One of them is for output that give 4 volts, and on another you can hook up a solar panel, another solar panel with 6 volts. Also you can charge this radio. It have a built-in rechargeable battery through micro USB connector right here, and you see the red light, meaning that the solar panel receiving some light and charge the battery. We have a small switch for torch, off, on, and here it is, the torch, on, off. Great. Beside the solar panel and the voltage control from these jacks and switches, we have a MP3 decoder right here with SD card reader and USB plug. You can plug your USB memory stick here with songs, and we have 4 buttons for repeating: previous, next, play, pause. Beside that have a built-in rechargeable battery. This portable radio with many functions can work on 220 volts AC, and also you can put 2 size D batteries. If your battery inside is dead, you can work with ordinary batteries. Wow, too many functions. Okay, now I'm gonna open and see what is inside. I can't believe it. Iron weight again in this radio. Okay, let's take a closer look. Here it is, the transformer, and for some kind of reason they place a iron weight just to be more heavier the radio, and when you buy it to think that there is a parts inside that is working. Okay, let me show this battery. Take a look how the 18650 battery is glued with hot glue and fix it on this spot. I'm gonna try to pull out. Yes. And this seems to me like a used battery or pull out from laptop. I can't believe it. Oh my god. And here it is, the iron weight. I'm I'm gonna test this, how much is waiting right now. Overload on my scale. I need to weigh this iron on my kitchen scale. 230 grams. I'm gonna remove the battery and also scale it. 44 grams. Not so bad. Okay. I'm gonna fix again with hot glue the battery as it was and add some more glue. Okay. And for the iron weight, I'm not putting back. Okay. You can see that there is a transformer, two PCB boards, one of them is for the radio receiver and the second one is for the MP3 decoder, plus for the DC jacks output in input and charging connector micro USB. Okay, here we have a LED light, we have a speaker, it says 2 ohms 8 watts, and use it 18650 battery. I can't believe it what they are selling to us. Okay, should I test the solar panel? Does it work? Yes. I have a flashlight here with natural light and I'm gonna place it right here to the solar panel. Take my multimeter, set to volts, positive to positive and negative to negative. We are getting 2.1 volts. Why? Because it's charging. Okay, because of charging, the solar panel gives only 2.1 volts, and I'm gonna test it just to close. Now I'm gonna test it, the output voltage from this DC jack. I have a short cable here, plug in. Yep, giving 3.7 volts from the output jack. That is working okay. I'm gonna close back without iron weight. Come on, man. Okay. It have only 2 screws. I'm gonna test it one more time. The torch is working. The radio. Yep. I can't play any songs because of the copyright. It's a great device for the money, except for the iron weight, and that use it 18650 battery. I don't know why they place it use it battery inside. Maybe for cheaper production, I don't know. Okay, I hope you like today video demonstration of retro look radio with many functions like the solar panel, the LED torch and stuff. Give a like, share, And thank you for watching. See you next time.